I have some basic maintenance tips for a window air conditioner, but check the manual for your model. Check your filter every few weeks. Most can be removed, cleaned, and replaced. If you rinse it off in a shower or a tub, allow it to dry before you replace it. If your unit has a disposable foam filter, you can get replacement filters at the hardware store. Clogged filters will reduce airflow, your cooling efficiency, and let dirt accumulate on the evaporator coils. Once a season, vacuum the evaporator coils if your inside cover comes off, or you can shoot it with a can of compressed air. Once a season, clean the fins and the condenser coils on the outside of the air conditioner. There are coil cleaners that you can spray on the fins and then rinse with a hose, or you can rinse it with a spray bottle filled with water. If any of the fins are bent, straighten them out with a fin tool. Bent fins are going to reduce cooling efficiency and airflow.